All right, welcome, my fans. Today we want to quickly look at this exam question. Sometimes you come across this in JS3 exams or SS3 exams. Now, this is a circle consisting of a right angle triangle in the circle. Now, without wasting of time, we quickly look at this. The question says we should calculate the length of this chord from year to year. One, we call this line a chord. From year to year, we call it a chord. Now, what do you understand by a chord? A chord divides the circle into two parts. Divide the circle into two parts. For example, if I have a circle like this is a chord. It divides this circle into two parts, the larger part and the smaller part. So now we call this a chord. Now we quickly look at this. We have to calculate from year to year. Now for us to solve this problem, we have to introduce Pythagoras theorem. And what is Pythagoras theorem saying? That Pythagoras states that the square of this, that is the hypotenuse side, if you bring this is, you have a right angle triangle at this point. Here is what? My letter B. This is my letter C. Here, I will introduce a letter. I will now call here letter E. So that I'll be able to solve this problem effectively. Now for here, from B to C is what? Is 20. From C to E is not given. E to D is not given. But B to E is given as what? As given as 12. Please, I'll be snappy because of time. I want this thing to capture very well. Now, you apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem saying? That the square of the hypotenuse side, that is the square of this slant part, which is what? BC square equals to what? Sum of the other two sides, which is from year to year. This is this sum of year to year, which is what? CE square plus what? BE square. Now remember what we are asked to look for from year to year. You cannot just jump and get this. You need to first of all get from year. If you're able to get from year to year, you get from year to year, because from year to year is the same thing as from year to year. Now what do we do? The side of BC square, we have to introduce it. BC is what? Is 20. We have 20 raised to the power of 2 equals to the side of CE, that's the unknown, what we're asked to look for, or what we need to look for at this point. CE plus BE is what? Is 12. Is 12. Then we have it this way, 12 square. Now 20 raised to the power of 2 is nothing but what? Is 400 equals to, here is an unknown, it doesn't have any value here, equals, sorry, this is plus here at this point, and we have here plus 12 raised to the power of 2 is something as what? 144. Now since we are looking for this person, what do we do? This person will now come here. We have 400 minus 144 equals to CE square. Therefore 400 minus 144 will give us